What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I made this St. Patrick's Day inspired nail set. And starting off, I'm going in and showing you what colors I'm using: 487, 485, A11, and then my white and my base colors. Starting off, I'm doing 3 coats of this base color. Then taking the base white, I'm applying it on the tip and then taking my brush to blend it out through the rest of the nail, and then I do this 3 times. Next, taking the 485, I'm applying 3 coats of this. I mix in some green with this color A489 by Beetles. I don't show it because I come up with this later on. Next, I'm taking 487 and I'm going in and doing 3 coats of this as well, just because it was so sheer. applying 2 balls of very small amount of solid nail glue and then applying my 2 clovers. And the trick to getting it to lay down flat is to take that silicone thing you see on the desk mat and then taking your flash, handheld flash cure, and then just stacking it right on top. Next, I'm applying 3 coats of this very sheer gold shimmer. Next, to finish off the thumb and the ring finger, I'm going to add a S-like curve with the same gold, A11, and then apply the clover on the side of it. Here is the final look at the St. Patrick's Day inspired nails. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!